I've just got back from a camping trip test driving the new KitchenAid Go Cordless system. A fantastic range of products, really impressed. As anyone who knows that's been camping with young children, it's exhausting, but being able to have that kitchen from home out and about on the go with all of the gadgets that you're normally used to that are quiet, quick and easy to clean, it's an absolute pleasure. I've absolutely loved cooking with these products. The Go Cordless system is dead easy to charge up your batteries at home or on the go just using a USB charger. Taste. There are all sorts of different appliances for different jobs. Here I'm making a simple garden herb pesto to go with some prawns, a bit of red onion and some pasta. A real family friendly dish along with some smoked goat's cheese that I made at home. That's my little twist on this recipe. True test of the KitchenAid Go Cordless system has to be the morning coffee. I've managed to grind some beans here on the campsite and quietly make myself some coffee. Also whisk up some hot chocolate for the girls, and now I'm going to make a smoothie and some eggs. The KitchenAid Go Cordless system really is super straightforward to change between your kitchen appliances. It means you can use these anywhere. These are pieces of kit that I'm going to keep in my outdoor cooking boxes from now on and use in the garden this summer. Definitely check out this full range. I heavily recommend KitchenAid Go Cordless.